Good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing? So we are in a trade already. Just saw the opportunity pre-market and we had a strong run up overnight. I see this all as liquidity here. Going down the 5 minute, we're about to have the open. No reason to take an L on this. My target is down here at the previous day's point of control. We just have to see how the New York Open shakes out. But right now, should be looking to be here for the stops. Let's go ahead and do that on my other accounts. So basically, we have this 5 minute gap. We have this 5 minute unmitigated fair value gap here, and let's go ahead and just put this as 5 minute. It's fine. We had an opportunity to add here, but I didn't want to size up on Fridays. Also, I just started trading a lot more accounts, so total accounts is 11. So not trying to mess it up on the first day. So yeah. Right now we're about 100 ticks of profit. I want to see us come down to the previous day's point of control. Never tapped this. We swept out the previous day's high, which is a key liquidity zone. And we also have midnight price down here for my target. So stacked confluences here with previous day's point of control, midnight, and also a no wick on the 15. Those will look good for being tapped at some point, but it's pretty far target. I mean, 300 ticks is kind of asking for a lot. Let's see how we react here in this 5 minute gap. If we get an inversion, start pushing up, I wouldn't like that. Yeah, I wouldn't like that for the open. Let's see, we also have news at 9:45. Looks like we're trying to close above this. Is looking like it wants to be inverted. Might be going for a very high risk to reward here, and kind of, should have taken some off the table, but it's Friday. Is a full moon on Saturday. Usually market dumps on full moons, but against the volatility here, which I don't like. Could this be like another opportunity to? I don't like how price is pushing up like that. This is very wicky area here. Very wicky. We'll see how the open shakes out. 2 minutes. wicky area, which I don't like. Check my stream real quick. Oh, let me check my stream. Okay, I think we're good on the stream. So to be patient and read and react to what's happening on Fridays here. Be very vigilant on a Friday. It's a very wicky area here. This would be very much a fake out area. I don't like how we're about to close. If we close above this 5 minutes, looking to put stops to break even if we close above this 5 minutes. So I want to protect my fucking position. Here comes the open. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Okay. Okay. A very, very wicky area. Not looking to be in this anymore. Actually not looking to be in this. I think I might close this. This is too volatile. Too volatile. Stop. A lot of stops are here. A lot of stops are there. Careful. Let's see where we're at. I think I might want to close this. Yeah, I might want to close this. It's way too volatile. Very wicky area. Very, very wicky. Yeah, I don't like it. I think I might want to close this and take a scratch. It's way too wicky. Don't like it.
Order filled.
And we're going to close that too. $40. That was way too aggressive. Way too aggressive. Definitely shook me out. Look at that. It's way too aggressive. I'm sorry, I'm not participating in that. Look at that. Boys. Motherfucker waked me out like a motherfucker. Fuck, brother. Oh, got shooken out, got scared. Chat. That's fucked up. Let this settle down, bro. This is way too aggressive. Ugh, man, that. We're going for it again. Chat. Are we on tilt? Chat?
Order filled.
Very aggressive. What the hell, bro? That scared the shit out of me, this one. Oh my god, bro. That scared the shit out of me. sheesh, man. That shit, I should, you know what, man? In hindsight, kept my stop here. This thing scared the shit out of me. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That thing scared the shit out of me. Holy fuck balls. Very aggressive, dog. Very aggressive. Ugh. Should have kept my stop where it was supposed to be. We re-entered, but like, what the fuck was that? It pissed me off, man. That was a tilty entry right there. Because I was angry, or like, because the price started running down, I went ahead and just re-entered at a shitty level. You know, which is not good. You know, that's a bad entry. Very, very wiki area. They just wanted to mess around with everyone. So I'm copying 11 accounts here, and jeez Louise. Ugh, this was so like unnecessary. Like, why did they have to do this, bro? Like, just made me shit myself, and then why for what? You know, the reason why I re-entered is because this was such a wiki area, and they just wanted to again before my target here. You know, if we close below here, man, that was so annoying, bro. I mean, honestly, dude, like, that's so annoying. I think it was like 80 ticks or something. So annoying. Fair enough, you fucking Nazi Nas. It's very volatile open. I don't like that. It's like I might just like come back in the afternoon or something, bro. Like, what the hell? Or not even. Like, sold at this shitty level. Look, like, this is a terrible entry. Like, why did I do that? This is the last turn I have, so I mean, this is all I got in the tank here. See, because of my shitty entry, now my P&L is fucked. So, but we're just gonna read and react. This is a terrible level. Just all this bullshit. All this is just garbage. I should have just kept my stop there. Let the market do what it do. That's the thing about pre-market entries. You gotta deal with the open. Ugh. You know, it's like cringe, bro. Like, this is so crap. Like, I don't wanna be in it, really. This is like acetol. This is really ass. Ass. Don't want to be in this. Do not want to be in this. Now I messed up my P&L because of my shitty entry here. So let that be a lesson, chat. I think we're just going to have to take another L on this because of my crap entry. Again, I should have let the market just settle down instead of like looking for high volatility moves. Very, very shitty. don't think I want to participate in this. But, you know, I think I just want to take a scratch on it. Man, I should have kept my stop here. Appropriate place instead of getting shaken and bacon here. I got shaken and bacon here. I got shook. Messed up the P&L. Bullshit. Man, bullshit is what I say. Alright, let me settle down. Emotions are a little high. I don't think I like that. You know. Not for my liking. And what is that? That is like, meh. So annoying, bro. No, you don't put stops to break even on this type of volatility, bro. I'm TPing at previous day's point of control. If we get back up here, makes sense. I'll get the trade. And, man, scared me. Alright, I just gotta get over it, you know? Like, just like spooked me. Markets do that shit, man. What are you gonna do? I'll take a break even on this. What are you gonna do? I mean, not break even, but small profit. So annoying, bro. This was so annoying. In hindsight, I mean, should have just kept my stop there, bro. Logical level, you know. But, you know, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Sometimes you poop yourself. You know, we're human beings, bro. You're human beings, brother. Look how stupid, like, pullbacks and stuff. It's just like, ugh. I'm not gonna let this, you know, close below this 5-minute gap. You know, I'm not gonna let the emotionality of what happened get to me, so let's settle down. You know, it's just too volatile on this open. The trade is going. I mean, the speed and volatility is just getting to me today. Yeah, look at that. Look, it's so wicky. Like, ugh. Like, go away. Like, I just wanna. I'm not gonna look at the P&L. I'm not gonna look at the P&L. Trade the charts. God, man. Sometimes it be like that, you know? Fridays, wanna fucking, like, your ass. I mean, it's a shit entry, so maybe I should just get the fuck out. Even though it's a shitty entry. Look at this. Just look at this, bro. Look at this. I gotta get out of this because this is too... Ugh. Too ugh. It's way too ugh. Don't like it. Don't like that at all, brother. It's just so wicky. I don't like it at all, homie. It's a bad entry. If we come back up here, then I'm fudged. I'm very, very... Ugh, this is disgusting. Excuse me. terrible entry. Terrible entry. Do me a favor and get out of this. Do me a favor and get out of this. It's just too wild. Too wild. Are you gonna close again after that BS? Are you gonna close again after that BS? This is gonna come down here, but like, what the hell, bro? I just don't like it at all. Might wanna like settle down my emotions and come back when things are a little more settled down. Like, this is so ass. This is gonna stop me out. L. Ugh, so bad. No bueno. No bueno, sir. No problem. I mean, like, honestly, as long as you manage your risk, you're okay. This is such a bad entry. Such a bad entry. I mean, we're gonna see this here. Let's take a look. Oh my god, like, what is this gaps? Like, ugh. This is an arbitrary stop here. I mean, this stop is pretty gross. I think I need to cut it. I need to cut it again. This is, what the hell? Ugh, my head hurts. I'm cutting this again. Too volatile for me. Friday. Ugh. Ugly. Let's get out of this. Don't want to participate anymore. And I already used my 2 bullets. Kind of shitty. Kind of shitty. Oof. Yeah. I think we're cutting it, buddies. We're cutting this. We're cutting this. We're cutting this.
Order filled.
Alright, we're done. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Definitely my trade management could have been better today. Let's take a look at the stream here, man. Oof. This thing is pretty irrational here. And then we had news at 6:45. I mean 9:45 Eastern. I think I got out of those shorts. Alright. You got me. You got me. You got me. What are we down? Oof. Settle down, brother. I can't. I'm locked out of the account. Excuse me. Hey man, this is trading. This is trading, buddy. You know, let's do the markups. Ugh. Ugh. Excuse me. Wow. You know, all we can do, bro. We have our analysis. We have our risk management. Mark is gonna do whatever he wants to do. Things like this. This was a FU area. You know, these were my targets. These were my targets. And we got very close to the previous 8-point control. Let me settle down here. We manage the risk and we fucking keep it rocking, man. This is kind of crazy, this open. Let's look at our executions here. This was so tilty. This other trade, this one was very tilty. This one was very tilty. Let's go ahead and put those in. I was looking for like low key, it was like 2R, I think, or yeah, it was like 2R, right? That's my normal play. 2R is appropriate. Now we closed, I think we closed it like here-ish or something like maybe even like up here. It's more like here. And then we tried again. This was very tilty. This one. I looked for it again and I closed it here. Oof. Let's go ahead and mark this out. Tilt entry. Yeah, it was like here. It's not even like on the 1 minute, bro. You can't even map it out in the 1 minute. Damn, son. I think buyers are wanted to be in control, like overnight, and also you just wanted a little discount here, but didn't go to my targets. You little bastards. All right. Ugh. No problem. No problem, brother. We manage risk, man. We're down on the day. Oof. Let's see how much we're down. 160. Okay, 130 times 10 plus 1. What was it? 160. 130. 140. 140. Merp. Down $1,400. Okay, chat. Okay. You know. Oh, excuse me. Hey, better trades are available. As long as you manage your risk, you're fine. That's all I gotta say. You know what I'm saying? This was a very volatile open. Okay. So we'll leave it at that. What could I have done better? Let me settle down and assess that when I review this performance here. This was a tilt entry. This was a tilt entry. In hindsight, even if it did work out, it was still tilty. Because I had just taken a loss, and 2 minutes later you're gonna enter back in on the same shittier price. Like, once you take a loss, probably wait. Shit, excuse me, guys. I should just wait. A good 10 minutes or so, let things settle down. Just like identify when things are being wild and don't engage in the wild. You want calm, smooth trades, not like this was calm and smooth. Like this here, this was calm and smooth, This was wild. After the open was wild. I mean, buyers obviously want to take in control here. Maybe buyers want to step in. Let's look at this. Let me settle down, chat. I'm gonna end the stream and just kind of like I'll put some markups in the comments if you want to check them out. If I do take another trade on my personal, do I want to do that? I don't think so. The emotionality of this open was too high. I think. Losses happen, dude. It doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It's like you have your edge, right? And you just execute on that edge, dude. Like this was on my edge. Coming down to previous day's point of control on midnight. No wick on the 15 here. The stack confluences here. It's like, did you just want to take out these stops and then run this down again? Like this is a gap here. I don't think I want to participate after that. 2 bullets in the tank. All right, you got me. Down 140 on each account. It's nothing, no sweat. No sweat. No sweat. We didn't add. That's a dub. We didn't add. It's a dub. Looking for 2R. Yeah, man. So I'll put some markups in the chat. Oh, what happens here? I mean, looks like buyers want to step in. It's a new year. Maybe they want to buy on discount. Fucking markets are always bullish. I mean, I don't know. I still don't trust this. I still think we go lower. This is stop out city. And very wiki stop out city. So like, I wouldn't be surprised if this could get, if this does come down. Wouldn't be surprised. But I'm not going to participate in it. I'm going to take my L's on the chin. Reset, recalibrate. All good, baby. And listen, bro, that took a long time for me to get to. That took a long time to get to. because, you know, something that I need to work on in my life and my trading is my emotions. That's just, I know that, you know. You know, could we have managed the risk better? Or manage the risk was good. I mean, you know, trading one contract was good. Managing the position. I mean, how many ticks were we in profit there? Like, we were in 165 ticks. I usually don't put stops to break in until like 200 ticks. So, I mean, alright, let's see if we can get something here on the 1 hour. Let's see. Let's see. Let's take these off. Let's take these off. Let's go to NQ just to kind of see things a little bit clearer. This could push higher, you know, like if we tap into this again, could push up higher. Stick up. But, okay. Yeah, what's going on the 15, brother? This is kind of ballsy, ballsack. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna cut it here. And, live to trade another day, you know? We got stopped. We didn't get stopped. We managed our positions. I mean, this one here, I should have kept my stop where it was supposed to be. I would have been, but like I would have been expecting this target to hit. But it's Sayasuki'd out of there. Be like that sometimes, dude. Be like that. All we can do is manage our risk. That's all we can do. Market's gonna do whatever it wants to do. There is no such thing as, oh, it has to go here. All you can do is manage your risk. That's all I gotta say, you know? Like, I'm not gonna, like, be super deep about this, you know? Because otherwise it's just, like, ruminating about it. So, chalk it up. It is what it is, you know? It is what it is. Should have been more vigilant on Fridays. This was a tilty entry, you know? So you see all the positive and negatives to my performance today. So, I think we'll leave it there. If I see something else between now and when I'm supposed to stop trading, I'll put it in the I'll put it in the comments. But otherwise, that's it for me today. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and y'all be good. Oh, let me do this. Peace.